Hello, dear friends. Welcome to another one of our exciting tutorials. Today, I'm going to teach you how to create a multi-bootable USB using the Ventoy software. It's very simple. Before we start the tutorial, I would appreciate it if you subscribe to the channel and like and share the video. You can download the Ventoy software from the internet. The link is in the description. You also need a Windows ISO file, which you can download from the internet as well. Please insert your USB flash drive. Now the flash drive is ready and you can use it. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Goodbye.